People, you tell me now. Look for someone on the road. Everything alright with them. Foot intact, hand intact, everything. I look on this man in my wheelchair. I mix concrete. General, respect all for you, hear sir? All, hear me I say that, sir?
On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype. We make it take flight.
Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, what go on? A blessed and wonderful Tuesday afternoon to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now my peeps, we have a portion of thing for share with Uno in the evening here. The police them put on a decent spot of work and retrieve 2 tall up from half of the street. 1 over Gregory Park and 1 in a Riverton. A man gets slapped on a Mobay. People just go and stay tuned and listen to the entire blog so you can get a full understanding of everything we are going in a Jamaica. So right now, we could start off with this decent fine over Gregory Park because you don't know, so from there, Gregory Park are hot topic for On The Spot News Media. In fact, hot topic all over social media. So the St. Catherine South Police sees this tall up here. Here man a Remington shotty with 6 12-gauge cartridges during an operation in Gregory Park. Yeah man, that same troubled community there where the man then take off a little coolie man Edward there. So the security forces states that they will continue to increase its operational activities in the Gregory Park area and other areas across St. Catherine South Police Division. They are saying that they implore the citizens to cooperate with members of the security forces as they seek to restore order in the Gregory Park area and surrounding communities. So the commanding officer of the St. Catherine South Police Division, that is Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, also stated that some activities will be temporarily disrupted due to the ongoing operations in the area and of course the extension of the curfew that has been placed on sections of the troubled Gregory Park community. So job well done to the police them. Yeah man, if you take that tall up there off of the street. No. The M16 where the police them take off of the streets. Boy, may I tell you, police them have put on some decent spot of work. So 7 men was arrested and charged on Monday in an operation in Riverton City, St. Andrew, which of course saw the seizure of this pretty tall up on your screen right now, and a portion to rounds for go with it. The man then make sure say the belly had a big old wheel there well full. Yeah man. So the operation, which was led by Police Specialized Operations Branch, got underway about 10:45 a.m. So the police them say basically the tall up with them find also contained 51 well shine and bevel can. Yeah man, for full up in the belly at the wheel, and all of this was conducted on a premises called Trelawney Avenue in the community of Riverton Meadows. So the police states that the identities of the men arrested are being withheld pending investigations. So another job well done again by the squad of them in the streets. Yeah man. So before me get in at the ClapWeh them we go on right across Jamaica, I want to look on the screen for a minute. You're proud of yourself? Up to last week, Saturday, Jamaica recorded 1,414 loss of life this year. So this are the latest police statistics. This is a 10% increase year on year. Yeah man. So 6 of the 19 police divisions each recorded over 100 loss of life. You can't clap on yourself man. Round of applause to Jamaica. Yeah man, you not deal with the thing grimy. I hope you feel good in on yourself because right now me no feel good. Yeah man. So watch this now. Since Saturday, I'm pretty sure it's over 10 loss of life go on. So realistically speaking, we now look upon 1,424 loss of life. So we get a breaking news. We not get no farmer information surrounding it as yet, but we still make John public know what take place in a Westmoreland this morning. Early, double loss of life going down there. A man and a woman get tack up, me I tell you, the old dirty corner boy them strike again. So hopefully by daylight, I will get some more insight as it relates to that knockings and clappings. So right now on your screen is a man known as Strolly. The man them prowl up on Strolly and can him up in a one little place so them call Roampton in a St. James. Boy, we don't understand why the man them come slap with the natty them way there. Why them take Strolly like a 3 pints. But you don't know how the things setting at the streets. We have to go circle on the back, get some information and bring it forward to you just the same. So we are going to flick it over there say now in a Clarendon, as me always say now. Anytime St. James do something, Clarendon literally have to answer back. So on your screen is Jermaine Pattison, age 36, otherwise called Twilly, a taxi operator. We run him like a robot taxi in a Clarendon. So the taxi operator is from Savannah Cross, Clarendon, and he is the latest victim of the old dirty corner boy them in the Central Parish. So as I say, the deceased has been identified as 36-year-old Jermaine Pattison, otherwise called Twilly. The man them prowl up on him and can him up in the community last night. So reports from the Maypen police is that about 9 p.m. Pattison was outside a business establishment eating when the old dirty corner boy them pounced upon him and demanded his vehicle. When the demand was not met, it is alleged that Pattison entered the vehicle and take away himself. But whilst he might try to take away himself, the man then full him up a can, full up the car a can, and just left everything and just gone. Yeah man, I saw the old dirty corner boy them work. Anyway, a desperate attempt was made to save Mr. Pattison's life, but you don't know how that thing they always play out when they all fought them strike from a close distance like that. Pattison was pronounced, you know what. Yeah man, may I tell you. So them come for the man car and the man decides say, yo, nah, get my car if you go commit no wrongs and get me in a problem. And them slap with the man for that. Boy, may I tell you, oh, we feel like old dirty corner boy. So anybody will see we're going right there, so please give the necessary information to the relevant authorities so them can find the perpetrators of that crime. Yeah man. So my peeps, so much time whenever hear on the spot news media say the young men in this country is endangered species. Yeah man, how much time whenever I hear me say NEPA need to draft some new legislation to incorporate the young men of this nation into them Wildlife Protection Act. Well, right now, Major General Anthony Anderson, Commissioner of Police, is basically saying the very same thing. Because yesterday evening, he made an address to the Kiwanis Club of St. Andrew in New Kingston, and he uttered the very same words that the young men are now endangered species. And he states that with 41% of every 100,000 homicides committed in Jamaica, they are men. So the Commissioner of Police, Major General Anthony Anderson, says that the males have become endangered species in the country. So watch this now, my peeps. He stated that the homicide rate for the little pitney them in the country was about 1 per 100,000, whilst the rate for women was 4 per 100,000. So basically I say female homicides compared to male are half of the global average. Yeah man. So now we are looking at the young men as endangered species because for them rate are 41 to every 100,000. Yeah man, so you know say the thing well serious and the man them a face the blunt of everything. A man a do the knockings and clappings, mostly males being the recipients of the knockings and clappings. A man gets sentenced to life imprisonment every single minute. Yeah man, when you're looking at the penal system right now, so man full up the jail them, so man full up the prison them. In fact, we only have one female prison facility and look how much male facilities we have and the whole of them rampack. A very few female jails we have all over the country and everything else so man pack up in a them bullpen there. So basically being a male figure in Jamaica, all odds is definitely against you. Whether you're young old, sick, lame, or lazy. And all of this is courtesy of the old dirty corner boy them and them dirty lifestyle. So people, we don't need to stop protect them people here and shove them out. Yeah man, so the police can either do one or two things, walk out or chalk out, or just so we see the thing right now. So remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah man.